everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. I'm just doing a little video to show where and how I film my YouTube videos. Everybody knows I film in the smallest room in the house. Our extra bedroom. Yeah, I'm crazy. I need a she-shed. But here's where I am until I get one. I use my Archon mount and my iPhone, and I do it right here on the table. And light bulbs, I just use natural light LEDs for my filming lights. Nothing special, just a normal ceiling fan. And yes, I have a wall of ribbon. You can't be a wreath maker without it. It's an addiction. And since I specialize in floral, you have to have a floral tree. And I have a Roby glue gun. And I always have it setting next to my glue skillet, so it will drip into the glue skillet. And it's on a silicone pad. But the Archon is what holds my phone. That's how I go live. And yes, I cleaned my craft room for this. Ha ha. Please like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell if you're on YouTube, because this is for my YouTube. Bye.